China has taken huge steps forward in the past decade, acquiring and modifying an old Soviet carrier, and building a new ship to the same design. China will follow up the Type 001, essentially a half-sister to Liaoning, itself a half-sister to Admiral Kuznetsov, with the Type 002. Reportedly already under construction, the Type 002 is expected to use conventional propulsion, along with a series of technological advances such as an AMRAAM's electromagnetic aircraft launch system catapult system. It is unclear how many Type 002 carriers Beijing will build, although a one-off would be uncharacteristic of Chinese shipbuilding. It makes sense that the plan would want a pair of ships operating the Kato bar catapult-assisted takeoff, but arrested recovery Type 002 carriers will require a significantly different skill set than the first two, and it will be easier to produce that skill set with two carriers than with one. Moreover, the construction of only a single carrier could make that ship a white elephant, sitting uneasily in China's larger strategic plan. China will have two aircraft carrier strike groups in support of the PLA Navy's efforts to safeguard China's maritime interests and sovereignty as well as regional peace. Some reports have suggested that China will take the nuclear leap for its fourth carrier, the Type 003, which largely remains on the drawing board, represents China's real leap into the void. Expected to displace 110,000 tons, the Type 003 carriers will be the first ships since the 1950s built anywhere in the world to rival the largest, most powerful U.S. supercarriers, although detailed expectations for the ships are not yet available. A vessel of that size could probably make 30 knots and carry in excess of 70 aircraft, much like the Nimitz or Gerald Ford classes in the United States. Experience with the Type 001 and Type 002 ships will undoubtedly feed back into the design and construction process to produce a more efficient, effective vessel. It remains unclear what kind of aircraft the Type 003 might fly, but a next generation of fighters and drones, the former perhaps based on the J-31 stealth fighter, should be available by the time the first Type 003 takes to the sea.